back here at St. Mary's fishing with my fishing buddy. Out here in 4.8 feet of water and doing some ice fishing. The fish finder that we have, flasher, cheapo, but it works. Decided to come out today. It's Monday. See what we can do. Getting out here, and it's almost blizzard-like conditions outside. But we're nice and warm in our shanty. Yep, the heater. So we're gonna find out what we can do today, and we'll hopefully make a video. We'll be back with the first one.
Alright, guys.
Oh, you got one. Pull him up.
Ooh, bluegill.
Whoa, look at that bluegill, dude. That is a good one.
Yep.
Hold him up. Get him up to you. Man, St. Mary's bluegill. Man, he swallowed it too, didn't he?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, pliers in here too.
Yep. Good job. Here, take him. Hold him up. Awesome. First fish.
Woo.
Out today fishing, huh?
Yep.
All right. We'll let you guys know if we get any more.
Yep.
Got our jig down here, as you can see. And we'll... Oh, there's a fish right there, isn't it? Just swimming in and out. So we'll
catch you.
hopefully get some good footage today.
Yep.
We're out here at Grand Lake on Monday. All right. See ya.
See ya.
All right, Dawson, what do you got again?
Got another bluegill.
Another big bluegill.
They just keep on getting bigger
Yeah.
every single time.
Yeah, it's St. Mary's, Ohio bluegills. Man, hold them up. No, hold them up to your head.
You reel this up.
Nope, set it down. Hold up the fish. Just set the rod down, the line down. There you go. Man, that is a nice bluegill, buddy.
Thanks.
There, you
Yeah.
got him. Man, that is a nice bluegill, man. Those are good eaters. We'll definitely take those home.
For real?
Yeah, flay them out. We got, what, 1, 2, 3? 3 right now. We've only been out here, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah. The 5? Probably less than that.
Good job.
Nice.
All right, we're out here again.
And we got twins.
Twins.
Except Dad's is crappie. Baby crappie, mine is a big bluegill.
Good job. Caught a bluegill, didn't you?
Uh-huh.
Then
Dad caught a
dead cut with a dink crappie. Yeah, we got a crappie and a bluegill, so
Yep.
all at the same time, didn't we?
Yep.
And our little pile is starting to pile up over there.
Yep. We
Got a
got
couple little fish.
we got one,
Of course, we can't keep the crappie, but
and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 good eaters.
yep, good to eat bluegills. Huh.
Uh-huh.
Dawson has a special trick to keep the fish from freezing.
Yep.
All right, everybody. Uh-oh.
Get him.
Uh-oh, Dawson. Oh, there he is. Yeah, look at that bluegill.
Take more for you.
Yep, that's a nice fish, isn't it?
Yeah. He's trying to fight back.
Yep.
There we
There
go.
you go. Just hold them up. Can you lip them?
There's a dead fish.
There's some nice bluegill, huh? All right, good job. Good job holding my fish up.
There he is.
Alrighty. We'll try to catch some more, huh?
Yep.
Alright.
Now we got 7.
What in the world, Dawson? Look. Oh, I just broke my line.
You did?
Yes. Look at that beast. What do you think about that?
That's dang big fish.
That's a nice crappie, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Man, crappie fishing.
We're out here in St. Mary's.
Thought we were catching bluegills only, but man, bam.
Nope.
Nope. Started catching crappies.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we got a pretty big fish here, don't we?
Mm-hmm. Dad almost lost his phone too.
Yeah, I dropped it real quick, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Awesome.
Pretty good fish.
All right. We'll get back as soon as we get another one.
Yep.
All right, everybody. I don't know if you can see that, but my jig's right there. I raised my jig up. You see the fish still there? See, he's there, just there checking out my bait. See if I can get him real quick. Camera. Yeah, these guys are tricky. You go for one. And then you start jigging one, they start attacking your other pole. There we go, we got him. There's a decent bluegill. Yep, that was the guy that was down there. As you can see, he's not down there no more. That's how we're doing the bluegill. How we're catching the bluegill here.
Yep.
We'll get back as soon as we get some more. Uh-oh. Dawson.
Ooh, yeah.
Look. Oh, got him. Did you see that?
Yeah.
See if I can get him up here now.
You're doing it.
Here, hold on to that. Get him up here. Well, look at that.
That's a dink.
Oh, Daddy's catching the dinks again, isn't he? Man. Yep, got a dink out here. I got 2 dinks actually. One sitting right beside me, and then one right here in my hand. Nope, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decent bluegill right now. Out here watching them on the screen. All right, we'll get back as soon as Dawson catches another monster.
Yep.
You're right, Dawson.
Right now.
Got another one.
Perfect timing too.
Good job, bud.
Thanks. Oh. Is he catching these?
Huh?
Look at all of them.
That's a decent one. We'll flay that one out. We'll flay that one out. These ones, they're good. Good fish. We'll flay them all out. You know, they may not be huge, but they're good eaters. So we'll get little fillets out of them. But we still got marking a couple fish still here. Just jigging, as you can see. Just slide the sink a little bit, bring it back up. Oh man, they love it.
Yep.
Especially with the waxworms. Waxworms was a hit today. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Dawson. What do you got?
A little crappie.
A little crappie. Good job.
Thanks.
Good job, man.
Ooh.
So we got a stack of fish, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, that one has to go back, but
Yeah, but it's
we got quite a few fish over there in the corner.
they're releasing
And we still have all kinds of fish right here on the
fish finder.
flasher. See my jig, I just raised it up off of a fish right there.
There it goes.
Just getting little bites here.
I just had another one.
Just had another one.
Uh-huh.
Got little schools coming in and out, crappies and
There you go.
bluegills, and I'd say we're in a good spot, huh?
Uh-huh.
Alrighty. Get back to you guys as soon as we get some more. Oh, there goes that one. He's got it. He's
Well,
taking off with it, isn't he?
Same with mine.
No, you just got another one.
On mine.
Oh, maybe that was the one that was on mine.
Maybe.
I don't know.
It's a mystery. There it goes again.
Good job, buddy.
See if I can catch another one.
They're down there. They're ready and hungry. So I'll watch your bobber for a minute. Oh, as soon as I do that, I get one of mine. Look at that.
Yeah. That's a big old one.
Man, that's a big old bluegill.
We're just catching them left and right.
Yeah, heck yeah. Mhm.
I wonder if it hurts.
Dude, hold him up. Man, look at that bluegill.
Woo.
Whoa. That is...
Wait, you can probably see through them. Yep, you can see through them a little bit.
That's a big bluegill now, man. Look at that. Man, look at Dad's hand. That's a nice bluegill. Good job. Chap, I'll let you take him off. I'm trying to... Good job. Man, we're starting ourselves a little pile over there. Yeah, look at all them fish.
Yep,
Yeah, even that big crappie.
yep.
And there's still lots of fish on the... Man, look at all of them down there. They're just stacked. Alright guys, we have these fish here that we got. Here's Dawson.
Hello. Whew.
Did a pretty good job, didn't we?
Yeah.
Fist bump it. Alright, we're heading out of here. We ran out of heat. And it's getting colder by the second. You can see the frost build up on the outside of the shanty here.
Yep.
Starting to get dark outside. Got 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
7,
7, 8. These are nice bluegill. 9, 10. 11, 12,
holy cow.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, he's still alive. He's kind of little, isn't he? Let him go back go. 18, 19, 20,
20,
big crappie, 21.
And
Man, that's a good crappie, man. Look at that guy.
then 22 fish.
22 keepers. Got so awesome.
That's a pretty good day. Day of
Oh
fishing.
yeah, real good day of fishing. And we got ourselves a nice spot here, I think.
Yep.
And guys just have to go out and just try to find them. Just move around. This is our second spot we tried, so just gotta move around and
See
try to find out where they're at. But we'll be out here sooner or later again.
Yep.
To get them. And you guys have a good one.
Bye.